യൂണിവേഴ്സൽ ബ്രദർഹുഡ് ഡേ 2021 വിശിഷ്ടാതിഥി ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട കേരള മുഖ്യമന്ത്രി ശ്രീ പിണറായി വിജയൻ സാർ. ഈ ചടങ്ങിലേക്കും വേദിയിലേക്കും ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയെ സാദരം ക്ഷണിച്ചുകൊള്ളുന്നു. സദസ്സിനെ അഭിസംബോധന ചെയ്യുവാൻ മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയോട് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. സ്വാഗതം സാർ.
സഹോദരീ സഹോദരന്മാരെ, ഇത് ലോകവ്യാപകമായി നടക്കുന്ന ഒരു പരിപാടി എന്ന നിലയിൽ ഫേസ്ബുക്ക് ലൈവിലൂടെ ലോകത്താകെ ഒരു പരിപാടി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ സംസാരിക്കാമെന്നാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. Dear sisters and brothers, this day marks the dynamic message of universal brotherhood inspired by the historic Chicago address by Swami Vivekananda way back on September 11, 1893. The address covered many areas of relevance but was anchored on the idea and need of unity in diversity, especially holding on to the idea of brotherhood and the society working as a unified force towards the welfare of all humanity. Swami Vivekananda specifically emphasized on the key pillars of any individual. Yes, unselfishness, strength at all levels, purity of the intentions. Moreover, the idea of leadership should be strongly rooted in the ideal of service to mankind. He emphasized that serving the poor and the needy around you is the actual practice of serving the God than the ceremonial show-offs. Core of the message always was rooted in the ideal of strength. It's only through strength that a man and society can achieve that which is needed for all. Strength is the core ideal of life and the building block of an ideal character. A society rooted in service and shoulder to shoulder support at all levels cannot be chained by any of the undemocratic forces. In Swami's life, Kerala had a key significance that always he remembered that this is the place where he met a real spiritual giant. The Vidyadhiraja Chatambi Swamigal at Cochin and recognized the contributions of Kerala to the spiritual realm. He was humbled by the knowledge and skills of Chatambi Swamigal. Swami Vivekananda also recognized the scholarly women who were educated and learned during the time. Swami Vivekananda strongly condemned the social inequalities present during the time and spoke on the need of educating and upbringing the socially downtrodden. The respect and relevance of women was always in his messages as a strong foundation of the society. Swamiji said, quote, "Love makes no distinction between man and man, between an Aryan and a Mlacha. between a Brahmana and a Pariya, nor even between a man and a woman. Love makes the whole universe as one's own home. True progress is slow but sure. Work among those young men. Devote heart and soul to this one duty, the duty of raising the masses of India. Awake them, unite them, and inspire them with this spirit of renunciation. It depends wholly on the young people of India. Unquote. He further said, quote, renunciation is the very basis of our true life. Every moment of goodness and real life that we enjoy is when we do not think of ourselves. Unquote. Swamiji and Sri Narayana Guru, a revolutionary religious leader from Kerala, were the spiritual emancipators of India. They took inspiration from the Indian philosophical traditions, especially Vedanta, on the basis of which they presented a new design for life, a model contentment, compassion, balance, and harmony. Both of them accepted religion as one of the most important aspects of human life. The relevance of the Universal Brotherhood Day is imminent in the current period to stand together for the needs of society and together as mankind, strongly laying in the humanitarian principles where the ideal of humanity is placed forward than all the literary ideals of irrelevance. This should be placed forward by the youth towards the better standards and quality of living for all strata of society. Thank you.